Hey, it's PINTAS Handmade. Welcome to our handmade tutorials. Step 1. Use the molder of the tray you want to create in measuring the amount of water needed in the mixture. I make sure I don't make it full or overflowing because we need to keep in mind that we still have to add other materials into it, and we don't want extra mixtures to be wasted.
Step 2. Add glue. Gypsum or plaster of Paris when mixed with water sets so quickly. Adding glue slows down the setting a little bit, giving you a bit more time working on your craft. Another benefit of adding glue is that it adds durability to the product. Mix it well before proceeding to the next step. You can skip this step as this is a personal preference. Step 3. Add white cement. Adding cement adds durability to the product and improves water resistance. While gypsum is highly porous and absorbs moisture, the inclusion of white cement can slightly improve the water resistance of the mixture, making it more suitable for crafts that may be exposed to humidity or light moisture. By adding 25% white cement, you essentially make a more versatile, durable, and high-quality material that enhances both the practicality and visual appeal of your handcrafted items. Step 4. Add the gypsum or plaster of Paris. The ratio is 1 part water and 2 parts gypsum. Add it little by little until the powder sinks, until you can't see any water on the surface anymore. Wait a few seconds to a minute for the powder to fully absorb the water before mixing it. Once you start mixing, the setting time starts. You have to be quick but smoothly mixing it, avoiding making bubbles. Make sure to break those lumps, and the mixture should look like a pancake batter when it's ready. Not too watery, not too thick either. Too watery will make your mixture bubbly. Too dry will set your mixture in a snap and not workable. Step 5. Pour the gypsum batter to the molder as quickly as possible. And while pouring it, shake the molder so the batter fills all the sides evenly. Another benefit of shaking and tapping the molder is to free the air bubbles trapped underneath, and pop those bubbles that will surface, making a flawless and seamless end product. Step 6. Wait for it to set and harden for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the consistency of the batter made. The setting of gypsum is exothermic, meaning that heat is released during the reaction. Without using a clock or timer, you would know your handcraft is ready to be unmolded once it's cool and hard to touch. Step 7. Unmolding. Unmold it when the mixture is fully set, dry, hard and cool to touch. Try to loosen it a bit by pulling the silicone on each side for an easier unmolding. Pull the product gently and securely to avoid breakage. Step 8. Soak in water and sandpaper it as soon as unmolding it for an easier sanding. Sand the bottom and edges when necessary to smoothen and even it out. Use a rough sandpaper or 600 grit to remove the rough edges and bumps, and use a smooth 1500 to 2000 grit to smoothen the finish. After sanding, dry it for 3 to 4 days before proceeding to the final step. Step 9. The last step. Sealing. I use Howard wax et al. For trays. Sealing handcrafts with wax is a favored method for its ability to protect materials, enhance their appearance, and provide a natural, safe, and eco-friendly finish that's easy to apply and maintain. Gypsum and cement is a porous material. The sealer creates a layer that helps to repel moisture, which is important for handcrafts that may be exposed to humidity or slight dampness. You can use other sealers like Mod Podge glue or acrylic sealers. After this step, the product can already be used. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more gypsum and cement handcrafts tips and ideas.